Do you know that end goal of every human activity, every project, and every human pursuit is happiness? Do you also know that laughter has the potential to stimulate our blood circulation, increasing our immunity, and elevates our mood? And my mission, therefore, is to make 1 million people laugh all the way to the bank, doing what they are most passionate about. Therefore, I've written this book called Laugh Lines, Instant Recipe for Happiness. And I've created a funnel for laughter. There are 4 courses in this, prices are given. And also, similarly, I've created a happiness funnel with the prices and the number of people we want to reach in a year. And obviously, there is a strategy for business growth and followers, community, prospects, customers to raving fines. But I have a faster way to work on this model where I will invite the content providers, the delivery partners, the community partners, and platform providers for enabling the faster growth. This subscription model, Laugh with CK and the Laugh Lines course, and also we have happiness blueprint model. And you can find most of these details on this site hi.ckarora.com, and for more information you can connect with me through these social media links. So keep laughing, have a happy time. Thank you very much. CK Arora signing off. Bye bye.